আমি এখানে ম্যাডাম ওই ভবনের ফাউন্ডেশনের কাছ থেকে শুরু করে আর কি।
Today is Friday, 29th March 2019. I'm here in our garden in Madhupur. The name of this place is Gubudia. So it's an amazing garden with lots of trees. I don't know the names of all the trees. These are called mahogany, shagun, and some other trees, timber. And we can also see on the top all trees, tall trees, and under the tall trees I can see lots of pineapple plants. Madhupur is famous for pineapple, famous for gourd also. Huge gardens are there in Madhupur. It's an amazing place. I'm inviting all my friends to come and enjoy the beauties of nature. I'm visiting this place I think after 18 years. It's an amazing place, I can also hear the songs of birds and the sounds of some other insects. It is, I think, almost 5 in the afternoon. I love to come to the lap of nature repeatedly. I love staying also, but I can't. I have to stay in Dhaka, although I don't like, because Dhaka is a city of noise and planned buildings. What happened yesterday, if I recall, I become confused, annoyed, flabbergasted. A terrible fire broke out in Banani yesterday because of unplanned building. All the beautiful buildings in the duplex houses in Gulshan in front of my eyes were replaced with high-rise buildings, skyscrapers. One floor means crores of money. In today's world, people are evaluating everything in terms of money. So they are not maintaining any kinds of rules and discipline. The city is growing in an unplanned way. I don't know what is the future of Dhaka city, although I love staying in the nature, in the lap of nature, but it's my dream. Practically, I can't do it. Suddenly, I'm here to visit Madhupur as my husband is attending a meeting and I'm visiting my garden. My friends, I'm inviting you to come and see.